This is Vinny. Vinny is a padlock cat. Vinny loves picking locks, but he also loves ordinary cat things like playing with wool, climbing trees, hunting in the grass, or playing on the beach with his friends. But something has happened to Vinny. Vinny has Cheap-Padlock-Itus. Cheap padlocks just don't help anymore. Only a rotor lock, an A-list rock, or a multi-lock G series can help. If you can help, please send padlocks to Vinny, Nigby's Lock Shelf, Nigby's House, Picking Street, Pick Village. Vinny is depending on you.